Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new, do not forget to like this video and hit the red subscribe button. It really does help my channel and your support would be greatly appreciated. Before I begin, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. All right, guys, this right now is a very last minute emergency update for you guys right now that I'm bringing you. If you guys don't know, just a couple hours ago, I made a video on Harmony One along with Tron, and I did say Bitcoin is sitting at some crucial price levels, and we need to see the price of Bitcoin close above that $28,800 resistance level for the daily, and that was unable to happen. And we did see the price of Bitcoin fall further down, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin hit some levels that we have not seen since earlier last year, the start of the bull run. So there is a lot of red across the board right now, major fear across the board. A lot of people are panicking, and as you guys can see, majority of the markets are down double digits, and we do have a Leo token on the other hand just sitting in green. I don't know what's going on with that. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to cover it and check out what is going on with Leo token. But overall, guys, the market is down quite significantly. Look at the last 7 days. The entire market is down double digits. So wonder what's going on with the markets. It's simple, guys. Price of Bitcoin has broken below, and it is a very scary time indeed. And I just wanted to make a quick urgent video for you guys. So let's waste no more time and get right into the price of Bitcoin and see what is possibly most likely going to happen and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if you are a cryptocurrency holder, guys, you want to watch this video till the absolute end because it's very important. So as I mentioned, I made a video just not too long ago when the price of Bitcoin was literally hovering around the $28,400 mark. And I did mention to you guys that we need to see the price of Bitcoin close above this level of resistance as soon as possible, because this zone right here, guys, this level of support, which had held as a level of support since May 11th of last month. So for a month, we were hovering back and forth above this level of support. But for the first time ever, guys, we have seen the price break below it, and it was unable to close above the daily above this $28,800 level resistance. And as a matter of fact, we did see the price of Bitcoin tumble more towards the downside. We have seen the price of Bitcoin fall since this level of support. We have seen it drop about 13%. Oopsies. That is quite a big of a drop, guys, within the price of Bitcoin. A lot of uncertainty within the markets, not only the cryptocurrency markets, the traditional stock market as well. And tomorrow is Monday, and I am expecting the markets to open in red. I'm expecting the Dow Jones, the S&P, Nasdaq, everything is going to have some sort of correction. I do believe that the traditional market investors are keeping an eye out on Bitcoin, and I believe that same energy is going to go into the stock market as well as it opens tomorrow. So we could really see this happening. A lot of recession talks are happening within the overall world news. A lot of people are saying we are entering a recession, and no one really knows, but we have now started to see some trickling effect that really do happen. And a lot of people are scared right now. Interest rates are booming. People, housing market has absolutely topped out. Insane overvalued home prices are also happening. Inflation is rising, everything is getting more expensive, consumers are less appealed to go spend more money, and there is a lot of red flags happening everywhere right now, and Bitcoin has been seeing that happen within its price as well. But we need to keep one thing in mind. We did see a massive upward trend for the price of Bitcoin. And, Bitcoin has its cycles. Bitcoin has its bull markets. It has its bear markets. But this time around, I want to share with you guys right now as we're recording this video, June 12th of 2022. Crypto ZX, has officially can say that we have officially entered the bear market for the cryptocurrency markets. As I mentioned, this was the last resort for me for the price of Bitcoin. But right now, guys, we have entered the bear market for the overall space, and a lot of bloodbath across the board. But I just want to let you guys know one thing. there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So with what I have seen, I've been in these markets for quite some time, and this right here, this price action now is very, very normal to me. I'm immune to this price action now. But what I've noticed over the past couple of years while I've been in this market, people that are scooping up projects around these times in the bear markets are the ones that succeed in the far end. Because when the bull market returns, these are the people that have accumulated in projects that are going to shape the cryptocurrency space and revolutionize itself, are the ones that are here to stay. And the people that are scooping those projects right now in this time are the ones that are going to succeed long haul. And as I mentioned, very, very scary time, but we just have to keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are going to be like that. And I always mention this to you guys because Bitcoin is not regulated, and a lot of whale manipulation occurs. But also we cannot not always say it's only whale manipulation occurring. Markets can take a breather after having a massive upwards trend. And this is not only happening with Bitcoin, guys. You guys can go look at majority of the big stocks. Everyone used to say, volatility only happens in cryptocurrencies. No, guys, go look at the stock market. You can go look at Amazon stock. You can go look at Apple, Tesla. You guys will get the same picture. They have pulled down quite significantly from their all-time highs, and really shows where the market is headed. But one thing I want to tell you guys right now is that, from all-time highs, we have seen the price of Bitcoin drop about 63.83% from all-time highs. And what I'm noticing is that, the price of Bitcoin is bottoming out faster compared to the previous cycles. It took ages. And I do believe that this bear market is not going to last as long as the ones that we have seen in the past. Again, my own personal opinion, the reason as to why I believe this is because, one, the overall market sentiment and the overall market adoption is way higher compared to where it was back in a couple of years down the road. Before, the market adoption was nowhere near where it's at now. Now it's way higher. We have seen traditional markets, hedge funds, big players really start taking cryptocurrency seriously and really treating it as an asset class that is here to stay. And I do believe the bottom is closer than we think. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is sitting at $25,563. I do see, if the price of Bitcoin is unable to break back into that $28,832 level, I still do believe that we do have more downwards momentum to occur. $24,000 to $22,000 is definitely still on the table right now. But right now, guys, I am keeping an eye out on the altcoins. Altcoins are at some very, very good purchasing prices right now. They're at some very, very good price, and there's certain altcoins I'm keeping an eye out on, and I will be scooping up very, very soon. BTC dominance, on the other hand, 47.89%. Look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap. We have not seen it sitting at that $1 trillion mark since, earlier last year, as I mentioned. And we have broken this support level for the overall market cap, which is at that $1.18 trillion, guys. And, we did break below it. The last time was May 11th, but we managed to pick up above that very, very fast. But right now we're below it. I need the overall market cap to be above that $1.18 trillion. But I don't think that markets are going to go way lower than where they are right now. I do believe the bottom is getting closer and closer. I personally don't see the price of Bitcoin going below $20,000. Even if it does, we could go there. But I don't see those prices lasting too long, in my personal opinion. I could be wrong, but I just don't see where we are now in the type of markets we are in, and the overall time frame we're in now. I don't see prices of Bitcoin hanging below 20,000 for too long. We could get below 20,000. Don't get me wrong. We could get below 20,000, but it would not last too long, in my personal opinion. And again, just my own personal opinion. You guys let me know what you guys are doing right now. But I wanted to let you guys know, If you guys are holding altcoins right now, we could see the price of Bitcoin drop even lower. $24,000 to $22,000 is definitely on the table. I believe that would be the absolute bottom for the price of Bitcoin. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking, where you could see the price going, and let me know what you guys are thinking about the traditional markets and what are you doing right now and what altcoins are you buying. Let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much. And let me know if you guys liked this emergency update. Love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.